Okay, so I'm making this video for anybody who just moved to Idaho or is thinking about moving to Idaho with the idea that we have inexpensive hydroelectric power and abundant water. Now currently we do have those things. We have hydroelectric and we do have water. But legislation is being pushed through right now that would eliminate both of those things. And instead it would require that deeper wells be dug and also that much more expensive and finicky infrastructure be put in if we want to have green electricity. We already have wind farms. We have wind farms and we have solar panels on some people's homes, but hydroelectric is our already paid for source of electricity. So the purpose of this video is to educate those who are coming to Idaho who are assuming that we have inexpensive power and unlimited water. We do right now. Currently, we have all of those things, but legislation is being pushed through by Mike Simpson that will eliminate our hydroelectric power and our abundant water. I wanted to share this with you so that if you have an opinion about it, you can address it the same way that I'm trying to address it, and make sure that people are educated about what they're giving up when dams get breached and when there is no longer a recharge system for the aquifer, which is what the dams are. My degree is in groundwater hydrology. I graduated 15 years ago. The irrigation canals are used to percolate water down into the aquifer, and the water keeps moving. It's not retained in Idaho forever, but it is allowed to sink into the aquifer slowly over the course of 9 months so that the water in the aquifer stays high enough for people's home wells and for business wells and for municipal wells and for farm wells. This is how it happens. And currently we have a representative that is working to have the dams breached, and he has put information out about it, but I don't think it's reaching people in a way that they understand what's happening and what the consequences are of those dams being breached. One thing I would like to just bring to your mind and bring to your focus is that Idaho has come to the attention of some very wealthy, very politically connected people like Bill Gates, and they meet in Sun Valley. In fact, I'll put a link to a video that shows them meeting in Sun Valley where reporters were not allowed, and a lot of people have their eye on Idaho right now. And right now, Idaho has one of the strongest economies in the United States. It's one of the states that still has enough water to be able to take care of all of our needs and has inexpensive electricity that doesn't create emissions. And if you're coming here for safety, it means that you need to protect what you're coming to and be aware of what's happening and let your voice be heard if you want those things to continue. I'm going to put the link to Mike Simpson's agenda on water here so you can find it. I'm going to put the links to my local representatives who alerted me to what was happening so that you can see what my local representatives are like, and I love them dearly. They are strong warriors for protecting the people that they represent. And so I'm going to try and get the information out for you. If you are new to Idaho, or if you're old to Idaho, or if you're thinking about coming to Idaho, please share this video so that we can get the word out about what's coming. 2030 is not very far off. But we have some legislation that is being pushed through that will eliminate our hydroelectric